welcome to Rancho Magnolia. This channel is all about transforming forests into our homestead. Go.
Subscribe, please. Hit that little bell.
Hit that like button.
Yeah. Alright, today I'm gonna try our new wood chipper. This is Contry Pro wood chipper. I'm gonna see how it works. Apparently it can chip up to 3 inches. Yeah, so we're gonna see how it works today. We got this from Tractor Supply under 700. So the mulch from here, it's gonna add into my compost. So let's get started and see. Let's see. So my new Contry Pro wood chipper has been really great. I'm really happy with this purchase. For under $700, it has really done what I expected it to do. It was able to chop this size, which is about 3 inches, into this pile here. You can see my pile of mulch, and with this I'm gonna use in my garden. I'm just gonna add in coffee grounds into this pile and just let it rot, and then spread it to my garden. It should be great. But yep, I'm really happy with my new purchase of Contry Pro wood chipper. Yeah, Contry Pro wood chipper. Yeah, I just added coffee grounds on my pile of mulch. Coffee grounds on my pile of mulch. And I'll just leave it sit there for a few months.